Today we are going to solve this problem. Solution method 1. 40 power 80 by 80 power 40. The power 80 can be expressed as 40 power 40 plus 40 by 80 power 40. A power m plus n equal to a power m times of a power n. We are going to apply this here. 40 power 40 times 40 power 40 by 80 power 40. Here the power are same, so we are going to express this a power n by b power n equal to a by b whole power n. So this can be written as 40 by 80 whole power 40 times 40 power 40. 40 by 80 whole power 40 times 40 power 40. Now this can be simplified as this is 2, so 1 by 2 whole power 40 times of 40 power 40. AB whole power n equal to a power n times b power n. So these powers are same. We are going to express this formula. So 1 by 2 times of 40 whole power 40. To simplify this, this is 20. So 20 power 40 is the final answer in method 1. We are going to do method 2 here. Method 2. 40 power 80 by 80 power 40 equal to solution. We are going to find this. This 80 can be written as 40 power 80 by this 80 can be written as 2 times of 40 whole power 40. Now we are able to see this expressed in a times of b whole power n equal to a power n b power n. We are going to apply this here. 40 power 80 by this 2 times of 40 is can be split as 2 power 40 times of 40 power 40. This is the. Now this can be interchanged. 40 power 80 by 40 power 40 times of 1 by 2 power 40. Now just we change this. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Since this base are same, the powers are different, we are going to implement this. So 40 power 80 minus 40 times of 1 by 2 power 40. This 40 power 80 minus 40 is 40 times of 1 by 2 power 40. This can be written as 40 power 40 times of this is can be written as 1 by 2 whole power 40. Now this is looks like a times of b whole power n equal to a power n times of b power n. So we are going to change this. Since power are same, base are different, we are going to implement this here. So 40 by 2 whole power 40. So this to simplify this, to do simplify, here it is 20 power 40. This is the final answer.